Every summer, my family embarks on an annual camping trip, a tradition that my dad cherishes like it's the Olympics of outdoor survival. This year, he was particularly excited about his new state-of-the-art compass, claiming it was the latest in navigational technology. As we set off on what was supposed to be a short hike to a scenic overlook, my sister and I noticed something odd. Every half hour, we seemed to pass the same peculiar rock formation that looked suspiciously like a sleeping dinosaur. My dad, however, was unperturbed, insisting that we were on the right track. After 4 hours and a growing sense of déjà vu, my mom finally asked to see the compass. Dad sheepishly handed it over, revealing it was actually just a decorative fridge magnet he'd grabbed from home by mistake. Turns out, we weren't lost, we were just caught in the magnetic field of Dad's enthusiasm. Well, he shrugged, at least the views were magnetic.